So I'm on my way to our spaza shop, and I want to get some ingredients that we need for our liver recipe. And I promise you guys, if you do this recipe, the pots will be emptied and finished out every time. It's absolutely delicious. Africa, especially South Africa, is a country rich in culture, history and vibrant colors. And that all the cultures, it goes down and goes towards the food. With 11 official languages, 11 cultures. And each and every culture has their own way of preparing certain meals and certain African dishes. It's a dream for any foodie. Got our important ingredients from the spaza shop, but before we start,
okay,
for the nerves. Alright, so we have our freshly chopped onions, very important. Then our liver. So liver is an acquired taste, not everybody eats liver. So I always like to accompany it with the animal that we shot. In this case we took the hindquarters of the springbok and we cut it up nicely. We're going to cook this with the liver, and this makes for an excellent breakfast. And it will be finished every time. Even the people that don't like liver will eat this dish. In this case we're using olive oil, for no particular reason. Any oil will work. This is not a healthy dish. We're not going to make this in any way or form a health conscious. We are all hunters, and when we hunt, we're not going to care about eating health conscious. These are some freshly cut onions with some freshly cut garlic as well. Season it with a bit of salt just to turn your onions brown quick. And any liver dish always works well with onions. You can't do liver without onions. Normally we will cook this over a fire, but today I want more temperature control, so we went towards gas. Caramelize. We're going to put in the liver and a bit of the kidneys as well in. So guys, this is not a health spa. This is a hunter's dish. And this is the most important ingredient. Don't be shy. All the energy back into your body after a long day of hunting, walking, stalking, and with the vitamins inside the liver. This is what you need. Here I'm adding a packet of brown onion soup. Any soup can work just to thicken it up a bit. Bisto or some mazina, anything to thicken up your stew will work perfectly. Now you let it boil because you're now almost ready to dish up.